Here's how to optimize your Windows 11 in 2026. If you want to unlock your hardware's full potential, stick around until the end. Before we start, create a system restore point. If you don't know how, the steps are in the description. Press Windows plus R, type regedit, and hit enter. Navigate to the Multimedia system profile path shown on screen. I've also linked it in the description. Double-click System Responsiveness and switch the base to decimal. Listen closely. By default, Windows reserves 20% of your CPU for background tasks. If you're a casual user, set this to 10. If you're a gamer using background apps like Discord, set this between 10 and 7. Going below these numbers might cause some instability in Windows, but will force the system to prioritize your active game. Go to Settings, then Apps, and click on Startup Apps. Disable any non-essential programs here. You can keep things like Windows Security, audio, or mouse drivers on, but kill anything else. This massively speeds up your boot time. Still in Settings, click on System. If you're using a laptop, go to Power and Battery. Set the power mode to Best Efficiency or Balanced when on battery and Best Performance when plugged in. If you're on a desktop, this menu will just be called Power. Click the drop-down and set it permanently to Best Performance. Head back to System, click Display, and scroll down to Advanced Display. Make sure you are actually using the highest refresh rate your monitor supports. Head to Privacy and Security, click Recommendations and Offers, and disable everything. Go back, click Diagnostic Feedback, and turn off optional diagnostic data. These features drain performance and benefit you in no way. Search your PC for core isolation. Microsoft keeps memory integrity on by default. It's a security layer, but it adds massive overhead to your CPU. If you prioritize raw gaming performance, toggle this off. You'll need to restart, but the FPS gain is worth it. If this guide actually boosted your PC's speed, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next optimization breakdown. But your PC isn't completely clean yet. Your system is fast, but your taskbar is still cluttered with Microsoft's forced AI garbage. Click the video on your screen right now to permanently rip that bloatware out of your Windows search. Do it now, and I'll see you there.